Are you over 40 and wondering why your belly fat just won't go away, no matter how much you diet or exercise? Do you feel like your metabolism has slowed down, your clothes are tighter, and nothing seems to work anymore? Well, stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to burn belly fat naturally after 40, without crazy diets, without spending hours in the gym, and without gimmicks. By the end, you'll have a clear, practical plan you can start today. Hi, I'm Jennifer from Real Health Result, your natural health coach for life after 40. Losing weight in your 20s and 30s might have been as simple as skipping dessert or jogging a few miles. But after 40, it's a whole different story. Your hormones shift, metabolism slows down, muscle mass decreases, and even stress and sleep play a bigger role in weight gain than most people realize. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive gyms, fad diets, or starving yourself to see results. With the right natural strategies, you can burn belly fat, regain energy, and feel confident in your own body again. So today, based on medical studies and wellness practices, I'll share the 5 most powerful natural methods to get rid of belly fat after 40. And I'll also give you a free copy of my ebook, Belly Fat After 40. 5 proven natural ways to burn belly fat, which doctors don't tell you about. Trust me, you're going to want to grab that at the end of this video. Alright, now let's dive into the exact steps you can take to finally lose that stubborn belly fat after 40. Fix your hormones, not just calories. The first thing I want you to understand is this. Belly fat after 40 is not just about calories. You've probably heard the old advice, eat less, move more. But if you've tried that and it didn't work, you're not crazy. Your body really has changed. After 40, your hormones, especially cortisol, insulin, and even estrogen or testosterone, play a much bigger role. When stress is high, cortisol rises, and that tells your body to store fat right around your belly. And if you're eating at odd times, skipping meals, or giving into late-night snacks, your insulin spikes too, which locks in more fat storage. Let me ask you, are you more of a late-night snacker, or do you find yourself eating 1 or 2 big meals during the day? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every one of them, and it helps me know what videos to make next. Now here's the fix. It's not about starving yourself. It's about creating balance. Eat at regular times, don't skip breakfast, and find small ways to manage stress. Even a 10-minute walk after dinner, or shutting down your phone an hour before bed can calm your body and lower cortisol. That way, your hormones work with you, not against you. Prioritize protein and fiber. Now, let's move to the second strategy. What you're actually putting on your plate. After 40, your body desperately needs protein and fiber. Protein is the #1 way to protect your muscle, and muscle is your best friend for burning fat 24/7. Fiber, on the other hand, keeps you full, reduces cravings, and supports digestion. I've researched this topic deeply, and here's what Studies Plus natural wellness experts recommend. An egg and avocado breakfast is going to keep you energized for hours, while a sugary cereal will spike your blood sugar and leave you craving snacks by 10 a.m. Lunch could be chicken and leafy greens, or beans with veggies if you're plant-based. The more protein and fiber you add, the less room your body has for junk. If you're ready to add more protein into your daily meals, type the word protein in the comments. Let's see how many of you commit today. Exercise. That brings me to the third step. A lot of people over 40 believe they need to spend hours sweating it out with cardio to burn fat. But here's the truth. Endless cardio burns calories only while you're doing it. What you really want is strength training, because building even a little muscle makes your metabolism burn fat all day long, even while you're resting. And don't worry, I'm not talking about lifting heavy weights at the gym. I'm talking about simple, at-home moves. Wall push-ups in your living room, chair squats in your kitchen, standing calf raises while brushing your teeth. If you do 2 or 3 short strength sessions a week, your metabolism will change dramatically. If joint pain is slowing your workouts, I have a video on natural joint relief. Check that out too in I button. Quick question for you. Would you like me to make a follow-up video showing you the exact 3 strength exercises you can do at home with zero equipment? If yes, comment yes, please below. Belly fat burning foods and drinks. Now let's talk about foods and drinks that specifically help your belly shrink. Green tea is one of my favorites because it boosts metabolism gently and provides antioxidants. Apple cider vinegar, when diluted in water before meals, helps balance blood sugar and reduces fat storage. Leafy greens, berries, salmon, nuts, all of these fight inflammation and help your body burn fat naturally. On the other hand, hidden sugars in packaged foods, flavored yogurts, sodas, and even so-called healthy snack bars can sabotage your belly fat goals. So cut back on those and replace them with whole natural foods. And don't forget water. Staying hydrated reduces bloating and keeps your body running like a fat-burning machine. Let's make this fun. What's your favorite healthy drink? Is it coffee, green tea, or lemon water? Comment below and let's see which one wins. Sleep and stress. And now the last step, and this is one most people completely overlook: sleep and stress. Based on medical studies and wellness practices, if you're not sleeping enough, I don't care how good your diet or exercise routine is, your belly fat will be much harder to lose. When you're tired, your body craves sugar and carbs just to keep you going. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. And then there's stress. High stress means high cortisol. High cortisol means more belly fat. It's as simple as that. Build stress-relieving habits. Stretch before bed. Read instead of scrolling on your phone. Or try short meditation. Even 5 minutes can help lower cortisol and make fat loss easier. Be honest. How many hours of sleep do you usually get on average? Comment 5, 6, 7, or 8 down below. I want to know where most of you are at. So let's put it all together. Balance your hormones with regular meals and stress management. Eat protein and fiber at every meal. Add short strength training sessions into your week. Choose belly fat burning foods and stay hydrated. And finally, protect your sleep and manage your stress. Do these 5 things consistently and your belly fat will start to shrink. Naturally, without crazy diets or endless gym time. Now, before we wrap up, I know I just gave you a lot of information. And if you're thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but how do I put it all together into a simple plan I can actually follow? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've put everything into a free ebook called Belly Fat After 40, 5 Proven Natural Ways to Burn Belly Fat, which doctors don't tell you about. Inside, I break down exactly what we talked about today, the foods to eat, the best at-home moves, and the simple lifestyle hacks that help your hormones, metabolism, and energy work together to shrink stubborn belly fat. The link is in description. You can grab the free PDF right now. Download it. Start applying the tips, and you'll thank yourself in a few weeks. And because I know many of you want to speed things up, I've also included a resource on a natural supplement that thousands of men and women over 40 are already using to boost energy, support fat loss, and balance hormones naturally. The link is in description and pinned comment. So let me leave you with this. Losing belly fat after 40 is not about punishing yourself, skipping meals, or spending hours in the gym. It's about working smarter, not harder, balancing hormones, eating the right foods, moving in the right ways, and taking care of your stress and sleep. If you commit to these 5 natural steps, you're going to notice real changes, not just on the scale, but in your energy, confidence, and overall health. Now here's what I want you to do before you go. Hit that subscribe button right now, because I'll be sharing more powerful tips on joint health, male vitality, women's wellness, and more ways to age gracefully after 40. Like this video if you learned something new. It really helps more people like you find this channel.